Hello all. I'd like to start with a quick orientation about how I need you to navigate through the course. First of all, welcome to public speaking. The next thing I would like for you to do is go to the content section of this course. When you go to the content section, I try to make this easy for everyone by dividing everything up in weeks. So in the weeks, you will find the work. Let's look at week 1. If we look at week 1, I want to make sure that you read through everything. How to contact me, the syllabus, McGraw-Hill, of course, that's the book that we're going to use week 1. Please click on these links, go through them, and read the information. Then click on the next link, go through that, and read the information. You will see here, this is our course syllabus. And then when we go here and click on these links, do the activities, then you have a welcome to class. And welcome, guys. I am so happy, so excited that you guys are here. Read through the information. This is how, and if you need to contact me, this information will be pertinent to you. Then week 1, some of the things that I'll need you to do in week 1, of course, this is our book, and the course is, the book is built into the course. So your actual first assignment is your ID drop. In the ID drop, please read the information. Please, I need you to know, I need to see an actual picture of yourself, and I want you to hold it as you are recording the information. After the ID drop, I put some of the PowerPoints for the chapter in there so that you can look over that information. And then you can just click on them, and I've given you some examples. If we were face to face, these are 2 things that I would present to you in class, and I'll probably present them anyway. Let's go into our first speech, which is going to be due in week 1. And we're talking about an informative speech. In the informative speech, of course, you're going to give information. I have an outline here that I would like for you to use. Then I have an example of an informative speech, and you're going to click here because this is where I need you to upload your outline. You cannot present a speech to me if your outline has not been uploaded. Then we'll close this, go back into go back into week 1, and you will see at the bottom of all of this, it'll say informative speech, upload your speech here. So let's click on this link. And once you click this link, it'll take you to McGraw-Hill Connect. You'll click into McGraw-Hill Connect, and this takes you to where you're going to present your speech. So let's go back real quick, back to week 1. And we're gonna scroll down to the bottom. You'll also have quiz 1. Same thing, click the link, it'll take you directly to the quiz. I forgot to tell you about your video introduction. The ID drop and the video introduction, similar but 2 separate things. In the ID drop, you need to show me your school ID, but in the video introduction, this is where you're going to tell me or give me this information about yourself. Please make sure that you do so. And yes, they're both a grade. So let's go back. I only have 4 weeks with you. I will probably give you information every week, if not every other day. Remember, we have Zoom meetings. We have a meeting starting March the 21st from 5:30 to 6:30, March 28th from 5:30 to 6:30, April 4th from 5:30 to 6:30, and April 11th. If you cannot make these meetings, do not stress yourself out. Just email me, and that is absolutely acceptable. Let's go into week 2. In week 2, you see that we're doing chapters 7 and 9, 10 and 12. Then we're talking about a persuasive speech. In the persuasive speech, you're going to upload where it says click the link and present your speech. You also have your midterm and chapter 2. In week 3, same scenario. Here's the speech, quiz 3. In week 4, my last week with you all, your special occasion speech and your final. I hope this answers some questions. I look forward to seeing you all and hearing from you soon. Have an awesome semester.